At here is the entire Pantone solid coded version 4 library of colors. It's 2,161 colors altogether. And these are all plotted in a gamut viewer and compared to the color gamut of an HP 3500 latex printer. And what we're illustrating here is that a large portion of these Pantone solid coded colors cannot be reproduced on this particular printer ink and paper combination. And so that, in order to define the capabilities, all of these colors need to be converted into gamut, and a library of those values plugged into your design apps so that you can see exactly what these colors are going to do on any particular printer ink and paper combination. So here's the colors by themselves, and this is how they would be mapped into the color space of the output device. Then this gets saved as an Adobe Swatch Exchange file, and that is able to be plugged into any of the Adobe Creative Cloud applications.